To create signature in Gmail, open your Gmail and come over here where you see the settings sign. We're going to click on the settings and we'll click on see all settings. Now we want to scroll down to find where we have our signature. You will see signature here, and from here you want to click on create new signature. I'm going to type in what I'm going to use to remember this signature, and I'm going to click on create. If you see here, I already have signatures I created before now. And from this new one we created, for me, I'm going to put in the text I want to be in my signature. I want my name to be highlighted. So I will select my name and go to font. Let me use the wide font, and I will select this creative director and give it a little bit of funkiness. I'll use this, and let me see. I want that creative director to be large, and I will select my brand name, which is this, and I would go into it and select. You can pretty much use the same font. Let me also leave this as wide, and I would increase the size. I want it large also, and I want my name also large. This works for me. If I want to link this Grow with Rachel, that people can easily just get to it, I'm going to select it and click on link. I will paste in the link to my YouTube channel here, and I'll click on apply. And one thing I also want to do, I don't want to keep writing warm regards, best regards every time. I will step this down also and take this up and do warm. And let me select this. I'll change the font to a normal sans serif font and unbold it. Once you're done making your signature, which is this one we created, you come over to signature default, whether you want to use this for new emails or reply forward use. I like to leave this as no signature since I have multiple signatures, so I can easily just select it, and I will leave this as checked as it is, and I will scroll down and save changes. I will click on this compose here and open up to compose my email. When you're done typing out your email and you want to insert your signature, you come to this pen icon that says insert signature, and you see the signatures you have from here. You can choose any signature you want to use. This is the one we created. I'm going to click on it, and it adds into my, you see the warm regards has already added beautifully. I don't need to type it every time I'm writing my email.